and welcome everybody. Today we are going to learn how to sign up for Sew Magical Expo classes through our website, www.sewmagicalexpo.com. Once you've got your website pulled up here, you'll see a Sew Magical Expo button. That's where you're going to click to go see the different locations and dates that we have. We're going to show Sew Magical Expo Florida 2023 as an example today. So go ahead and click that button, and then you can scroll down and see there's additional buttons. The schedule and classes are where you're going to go to see all the classes, the class schedule. You can also just type in that link up there, and then you see the schedule here, and then you see the list of classes. We're going to go ahead and click this first one, Lily and Jin's Amazing Spectacular Game Show. And this is a class as well for Florida. And it opens up on its own tab, but you can see the date, time, cost, location, what category is in, and who the teachers are. That's the organizers. You can see some info down below. You can see how to add it to your Google Calendar or iCalendar. You can click the register button and it automatically takes you to the bottom where you can change how many tickets you want for that class. Go ahead and hit add to cart. Please keep in mind that the website will be slow. No matter when you're signing up for classes, this will bog down the website just a little bit, so give it some time and have some patience and know that it is loading into your cart. As you can see, this is my cart now, and I can see my classes in here. I have one of those classes, and now I want to go add another one. This is another way to get to classes. You can hit those three lines at the top left. The menu will pop on the right. You'll see Florida classes, takes you to the same page. Now I'm going to add this other class here. And again, it's going to open a new page, but as you can see, my cart still has my class in it. It's got the information. I'm going to go down and add one seat to this class. I might have already done this, so you might see 2 seats in my cart instead of 1. Yep, as you can see there, my subtotal is 104 instead of 52 since I have 2 of those classes sitting in there. And now I can go ahead and scroll down and hit proceed to checkout if these are the only 2 classes I want. You do have to fill in all the information that has the red asterisk next to it, so please be sure to have that in there. It does help if you're already logged into your account. There's multiple ways to pay. We have PayPal, Venmo, credit card, and even through PayPal, you can do PayPal Pay Later if you're eligible. Go ahead and fill all that out, and then you're good to go. The class signups are meant to be a lot easier and smoother than they have been in the past. So we really hope that you enjoyed this new setup. And if you have any issues at all, please contact support@sewmagicalexpo.com. And that is the fastest and quickest way for us to get back to you with any issues on your tickets, your account, or anything of that nature. Thank you. Follow us on all of our social media platforms to stay engaged and up to date.